Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing how you can generate passive income with artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has become a popular tool for businesses to streamline their operations and increase their profits. But did you know that you can also use AI to generate passive income for yourself?
There are various websites and platforms available that allow you to generate passive income with AI. These websites use AI to analyze data, predict trends, and make investments on your behalf.
To get started, you'll need to set up an account on one of these platforms. You'll need to provide some personal information and link your bank account to the platform. Once your account is set up, you can choose how much money you want to invest, and the platform will use AI to make investments for you.
The AI-based platform will make investments based on market trends and data analysis, and you'll earn a percentage of the profits. You can check your earnings and make withdrawals whenever you want.
The best part about generating passive income with AI is that you can do it while you're doing other things. You can sit back and relax while the AI-based platform does all the work for you.
So there you have it, folks. That's how you can generate passive income with artificial intelligence. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.
Subscribe our channel.